So what's going on, guys? It's Miles back with another reaction. So dating in your 30s, and she's saying that she's sick of coming across dudes that want to build. She already wants him to be built up. So let's see what she has to say on this commentary. You guys hit that like button for me. Without further ado, let's get right into this.
If I go on one more date, if I have one more encounter with a man in his early 30s telling me that what he's looking for is a hustler, that he's looking for a queen to build an empire with, to be hustling for the next 5 years, I'm officially tapping out because what y'all don't get is us girlies in our early 30s, we've been hustling. We fell victim to the girl boss shit, and we was girl bossing for the last decade. We went to school, we started our businesses, we bought houses. We've been doing this shit on our own. We've been on our independent woman shit. And you talking to me about hustling another 5 years? My mans, I'm trying to have some babies. I'm trying to have some babies, and you want me out here working too and hustling? You got me fucked up.
Yeah, God. Oh my God. Ooh, Lord. We can go a lot of directions with this one, guys, but hustling. Guys, we have to come to terms with in 2025 that these women don't want to hustle with you. They don't want to build with you. They don't want to do any of that. And especially not with you. They'll do it by themselves. They'll hustle and get to the bag by themselves. And are they really hustling and get to the bag? Hell no. I mean, if we go through these women's backgrounds and financials, they're in huge amounts of debt, all kinds of ridiculous stuff. But yeah, guys, we have to come to grips and accept the fact these women don't want any part of building. Those women do not exist anymore. They are not being made anymore. They want to hang out at the finish line and just pick the winner and go home with him. Now, before we get into breaking down all the things she said bit by bit, you guys hit that like button, comment your thoughts so far, subscribe to the channel if you guys enjoy this kind of content. Share the video, like the video. If you guys want to support all the ways you can are in the description of the Cash App is right here, whatever it's worth to you. Now, let's get back into this because it's a lot to break down.
If I go on one more date, if I have one more encounter with a man in his early 30s.
Okay, so it's the same playbook. The same feminist playbook, guys. Like I've explained this in previous reaction videos and previous live streams. Like, guys, she's at the stage 30 where she's like realized, like, damn, I'm in a whole bunch of debt. Uh, I've been getting ran through. Nobody likes me. I don't have a relationship. I don't have any kids. So it's like, damn, 30. I done did everything, travel, all this stuff. Now I want to have a family and kids and marry at the last second. It's the same stuff, guys. Women like to think that they're different, but no, they're all the same because a lot of you guys you're following the same trajectory. So this is ridiculous, guys. How often we see this stuff, which lets you know how contaminated with this mindset the majority of these women truly are.
Telling me that what he's looking for is a hustler, that he's looking for a queen to build an empire with, to be hustling for the next.
Yeah, he wants a traditional woman to hold him down, but those women don't exist anymore, guys. They don't exist anymore, guys. And guys, I don't know what it is. Women today just don't like men. They really don't. They really don't. They'll do everything on their own. They'll raise children on their own. They'll work a job. They'll work a job that they can't stand, but leave a relationship the instance that she don't feel happy. Let me repeat that again. She'll stay at a job she hates for 10, 12, 15 years, not ask for a promotion, not go off or complain about her boss, not move positions and companies. she'll be more loyal to that job than she will to her man, because the moment that they get to argue, the moment that her man demands something from her, she wants to jump ship. This is the mindset of these women, guys. You can't, you really, you got to be a different kind of dude today to be able to settle with this ridiculous mindset that they have.
5 years, I'm officially tapping out, because what y'all don't get is us girlies in our early 30s, we've been hustling.
Been hustling, huh? Where's your millions of dollars at then? Where's your millions of dollars at?
We fell victim to the girl boss shit.
Victim. Now you playing the victim, the girl boss stuff. Yeah, because you realize your ass wasn't gonna be the CEO, and right after you came out of college, by year 5 of working with a company, it wasn't gonna happen.
And we was girl bossing for the last decade.
Girl bossing. What does these terms even mean? What are you talking about? What is this woman talking about, guys? Girl bossing? What does that even mean? Either you a boss or you not a boss.
We went to school, we started our businesses, we
School, debt, business, debt. Right?
bought houses, we
Debt.
we've been doing this shit on our own. We've been on our independent woman shit.
Yeah, you've been a whole bunch of independent debt shit. Homie, women like this got like 6 figures worth of debt, $250,000 worth of debt. She done bought a house. She got student loans she ain't paid off. If she started a business, she in business credit debt. Guys, you can't make this shit up. You can't make this shit up. And you know what's crazy? A lot of you guys would give this woman a chance because she's actually a decent looking woman. She's not ugly. But damn, the feminism runs deep, guys. You should be terrified of the game right now. You guys should be terrified and extremely picky on the women that you choose. Because now she's gonna want a relationship and all this stuff. And I want to get married in 6 months and have a ring and have my first kid by the first year and a half. I'm like, damn, because her ass is desperate. She's been going against nature for the past 10 years because she's been indoctrinated by society to do so. It's the same playbook, guys, over and over and over again.
And you talking to me about hustling another 5 years? My mans, I'm trying to have some babies.
Yeah, now you want to have some babies. All right. And as soon as you have babies and you get into financial hardship, what are you gonna do? All of a sudden, to death do us part don't mean nothing. You know, put him on child support. Leave him, break his heart, have a broken family. All because you weren't happy. Not because he wasn't doing what he was supposed to be doing. Just because you thought, you were missing more. You were missing more. This is the fickleness and the stupidness of today's women. And it's unfortunate, but it's everywhere. And this is what you guys have to look out for today. So that is my video, guys. I appreciate you guys watching to the end. You guys have a good rest of your day, good rest of your week. If you guys want to support all the ways you can, or in the description below. Cashapp is right here. Whatever's worth to you. Like the video on your way out. Comment your thoughts at the end of the video, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys the next one, man. Peace.